Vinod Kumar Binny. Now, he's the one who's been expelled from the Aam Aadmi Party. He has spoken out against the party on several occasions in the past. 2 months into it, and he remains completely unfazed.
In fact, he has now gone on a hunger strike in retaliation. Vinod Kumar Binny is fasting from the same place where Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal rose to prominence years ago, from Jantar Mantar.
उनकी प्राथमिकता ये है ही नहीं कि सरकार चले, उनकी प्राथमिकता यही है ही नहीं कि हम दिल्ली की जनता को जो हमने प्रॉमिसेस किए उनको हम पूरा करें।
Expelled Aam Aadmi Party MLA Vinod Kumar Binny unfazed even after the party cracked the whip on him. In fact, threatening to go on a hunger strike in retaliation. Binny sticking to this stand, training his guns at the Aam Aadmi Party for diverting from the core issues, taking the fight to the Lieutenant Governor's doorstep.
उनकी प्राथमिकता ये है ही नहीं कि सरकार चले, उनकी प्राथमिकता यही है ही नहीं कि हम दिल्ली की जनता को जो हमने प्रॉमिसेस किए उनको हम पूरा करें। हम अपनी जिम्मेदारी से भाग जाएं, लेकिन मैं जिम्मेदारी से भागने नहीं दूंगा। हर मुद्दे पर उनके साथ हूं, चाहे मुझे निकालें, भगाएं, कुछ भी करें, लेकिन मैं हर मुद्दे पर उनका साथ देने वाला हूं।
The expelled MLA even hitting out at the party moments after he was shown the door.
आपको मुझसे निकालने से पहले उन तमाम लोगों को पार्टी से निकालना चाहिए था जिन्होंने देश को बांटने को लेकर रायशुमारी की बात की। आपको उन लोगों को निकालना चाहिए था जिन्होंने महिलाओं पर अभद्र टिप्पणियां की हैं। आपको उन लोगों को निकालना चाहिए था जिन्होंने कानून का मजाक उड़ाया, जिन्होंने कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट मुख्यमंत्री से लेकर तमाम लोगों ने इसका उल्लंघन किया।
With the Aam Aadmi Party taking action against its rebel MLA, numbers for the party dwindling, but the Chief Minister dismissing the threat.
साथ ही साथ दावा कर रहे हैं कि कई और पार्टी के विधायक हैं जो कि उनके साथ संपर्क में हैं। अब सरकार भी अल्पमत में आ गई है एक तरीके से।
चलो ठीक है, देख लेंगे। हमें कौन सी सरकार बचाने की राजनीति थोड़ी करनी है।
But the opposition lapping up the opportunity, demanding answers from the Kejriwal government.
बिन्नी जी ने दिल्ली की और देश की जनता के बीच में सार्वजनिक किए हैं। शायद वही प्रश्न है जो सारे देश की जनता आम आदमी पार्टी से जानना चाहती है।
The Aam Aadmi Party finally giving the rebel MLA the boot. But Vinod Kumar Binny not ready to bow down. Will this move spell trouble for the controversy-hit party? Bureau Report, Times Now.
Pooja Shaili now joining us live on the story. What is VK Binny trying to say? Because everybody, even the BJP said we will welcome him on. There's talk that he is going to quit Aam Aadmi Party after being expelled. He was going to join the BJP. But is VK Binny leaning towards that, or is he wanting to stand there and fight?
The strategy of Vinod Kumar Binny is very clear. In fact, he had very categorically said, even in December, when he was not given the position of a cabinet minister for Delhi Assembly, that at present it appears that the Aam Aadmi Party is becoming very dictatorial in nature. At that juncture, all the leaders, including Yogendra Yadav and Manish Sisodia, had supported it, calling it a media hype. 1 month down the line, we have a press conference organized by Vinod Kumar Binny, calling out the same issues and saying Arvind Kejriwal does not listen to criticism, and that all the false promises that have been made by the AAP, he's going to expose them. And few weeks after that, the disciplinary committee of AAP made that decision, led by Pankaj Gupta, and rebel member and MLA has been in fact now expelled by the Aam Aadmi Party. But the question is, what sort of a message is this really going to spread out? Does this really refer to the fact that Arvind Kejriwal could be dictatorial in nature, not taking into the criticism? The AAP says that he has been expelled because of the false promises and the false comments that Vinod Kumar Binny was making against Kejriwal. But here, as promised, we have Vinod Kumar Binny who continues to sit here at Jantar Mantar on a hunger strike.
It's not the only headache for the Aam Aadmi Party in the form of Vinod Kumar Binny. What we're also getting you is this: BJP workers have mounted pressure on the Arvind Kejriwal government, demanding the immediate sacking of Delhi Law Minister Somnath Bharti.
Actually holding a sit-in dharna outside the Delhi Secretariat.
We had said that we will wait till the Republic Day. Our major and the foremost demand is that the government should sack its law minister, Mr. Somnath Bharti, with immediate effect, because he has been behaving in the most indecent, irresponsible and unlawful manner. Moreover, we have given an open letter to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, whereby we have raised other issues like the issue of his and his cabinet colleagues and his party workers, having insulted the Constitution of India, having insulted the Republic, having insulted the judiciary, having insulted the executive, having insulted the legislature and also the media in recent days. We have also raised the issue of the 18 issues that they have put forward before the people of Delhi, and he had mentioned them in his assembly speech also. Nothing has been done about them.
देखिए, हम विधायक के रूप में यहाँ पर बैठे हैं। ये हमारा कार्यालय है, मुख्यमंत्री का कार्यालय है, सचिवालय है। किसी तरह की यहाँ पर दफा 144 नहीं है। हम कभी भी यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं। उस नाते से अपनी मांगों को पूरा कराने के लिए जो सबसे पहली मांग ये है, जिस कानून मंत्री ने कानून की धज्जियां उड़ा करके अराजकता फैलाई है दिल्ली के अंदर, उसको तुरंत बर्खास्त किया जाए। ये मांग लेकर के हम यहाँ पर धरने पर बैठे हैं और ये घोषणा हमने आज से 4 दिन पहले की थी कि यदि हमारी मांग ये पूरी नहीं की 26 तारीख तक, तो हम 27 तारीख से डायरेक्ट एक्शन लेंगे सरकार के खिलाफ, मुख्यमंत्री के खिलाफ। वो हमने प्रारंभ किया है।